Namnamin nating mga nakakaramdam ng pagkakalayo sa Diyos ang panibagong pag-asa dahil sa kanyang pagmamahal at awa sa atin. Ito ang Kapet Pandasal Holy Week Special. Tatalakayin natin ang ating temang Renewed Hope for the Lost. Naranasan mo na bang maligaw sa buhay? Hindi mo alam kung saan ka patutungo, career man, relationship, gusto mo sa buhay, o kahit ang iyong sariling identity? Hindi ka nag-iisa. Feeling lost in life is something you might be going through, and that's totally okay. Take a moment to think about what's bothering you. Maybe grab a journal and sort out your thoughts. Nakakatulong kung magbabalik loob tayo sa Diyos. Sometimes we feel lost because we feel guilty about what we have done. Tayo mismo ang nagdesisyong mawala at hindi magbalik loob sa Diyos dahil nahihiya tayo sa ating mga kasalanan at tingin natin na masyado tayong madumi upang humarap sa Diyos. Kusa tayong lumayo. Kahit alam natin na naghihintay ang Panginoon sa ating pagbabalik, tulad ng tatay sa parable of the prodigal son. So this Lent, let's turn these feelings into opportunities for personal and spiritual transformation. Take a moment to reflect on the areas in your life where you crave change and set achievable goals to guide you forward. Remember, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. Building a supportive community can make all the difference. Don't hesitate to chat with friends, family, a counselor, or a spiritual director. Sharing your stories and how you feel can really lighten the load. So, what's your first step toward renewal? Manalangin po tayo. O Panginoon, tulungan mo kaming tahakin ang landas patungo sa iyong piling. Nawa matuklasan namin ang aming panghabang buhay na layunin upang sabay-sabay kaming makarating sa iyong kaharian. Amen.